Welcome dear all students to our YouTube channel BEST project. Today we will see the project demonstration of GSM based saline level monitoring system. Hardware setup is available on the screen. Let's have a look on components used in this project. It is the main switch to turn on and off the entire project. It is a nut connector for 5-volt regulator, and here is the black cube like voltage regulator. It is used to supply the power. It is a buzzer for sound alert purpose, as you can see on the screen. This red module is a GSM module to send and receive the SMS alerts when saline level is on critical levels, and we can also insert a SIM in it. This blue cube is Arduino Nano, and it is responsible to handle all the operations including LCD, GSM module, buzzer and all the things. It is the brain of system. To display the saline level and its weight and all other parameters, this 16 cross 2 LCD is used. It is removable, as you can see, for study purpose. This white connector is used to connect the load cell to our system, as you can see, and also we will see here is the load cells to check the level of saline while measurement. As you can see, we cannot measure the weight of saline directly, so we need this signal amplifier. The specification is as shown on the screen. It is also removable. We are considering this bottle as saline, and here is the pipe for saline, as you know. Setting the load cell plate for the saline arrangement. So as you can see, we are putting some kind of load so that we can hang the saline on the load cell. Connecting the voltage regulator to 230 volt power supply for its operation, and now we need to turn on the main switch for the project demonstration. All the arrangements has done. We will use this mobile phone to receive the SMS alerts when saline level is on critical levels, so we are putting it on the setup. So as you can see, the current saline level is 89%, as you can see on the LCD screen, and here is the saline bottle, and water is releasing from it. We are releasing saline content so quickly for the fast demonstration of this project. Fixing the pipe connector properly so that saline content should also enter in the pipe. Current saline level is 77.68%, and remember one important: we will get an SMS alert when saline level is less than 50%. We will get second SMS alert when saline level is less than 30%, and we will get third last most important SMS alert when saline level is less than 20%. Okay, so remember this one important parameters for this project. We will get short buzzer alerts when saline level is less than 30%, and we will get long buzzer alerts when saline level is less than 20%. For our better understandings, please like this video and also share it with your friends. Saline level has reached less than 50%, and we will get an SMS alert, so keep an eye on the mobile phone screen. SMS alert takes 4 to 5 seconds to receive, so wait for some moments. Please visit to our YouTube channel. We have many other videos. So as you can see, we have received an SMS alert on our mobile phone that saline level is less than 50%. Read the SMS content on mobile phone screen. Current saline level is 35%, and remember, when buzz level is less than 30%, we will get buzzer alerts also, and also we will get an SMS alert. You can hear the buzzer voices, and at the same time we will get an SMS alerts, so keep an eye on mobile phone screen. SMS alert takes a little time, so wait for some moments. New SMS alert is available on the mobile phone screen. We can also read the SMS content. We will get last SMS alert when level is less than 20%, and buzzer sound will change for better understandings. Buzzer sound has changed, and we will get last SMS alert because it is very critical. If students want any kind of modification in this project, so those students are also welcome. Visit to the description box to contact us. Waiting for the third last SMS alert. We have successfully received third last SMS alert for less than 20% of saline level. read the SMS content on mobile phone screen. According to its performance, our hardware setup is working so fine. Let's see its wiring connections available on back side of this project. If any student wants to purchase this setup, please visit to description box. If you have any queries, please ask in comment section. We will reply you as early as possible. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in next video. Take care.